Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno 4 Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter. And as you can see here, we've got the settings icon, so let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the languages, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. Let's tap on add keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick something, for example, maybe Arabic. Let's choose the region if you have options. Click on done, and as you can see, it is immediately applied to our list. Let's get back to the keyboard, and here we've got the new icon, the globe icon. What's more, on the spacebar we can see the language we are currently using. So now I am typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon I can switch to the Arabic one. Let's tap on it, and again English. Okay, so now let me show you how to remove the language if you need. Let's go back to the settings, tap on languages, and click on this edit icon. Let's tap on the one you want to remove and click on trash bin icon. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. Let's get back to the keyboard. We've got we actually do not have the globe icon, so it means that we can only type in English. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your OPPO Reno 4 Lite. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.